Lowered expectations. For the Pigeon Man, press pound 79. Eat my pigeons. These are all I got left. I've been sitting inside crying myself to sleep. My 3,800 pigeons that I had every day, wrecking my yard, they're gone. I'm not sure what happened, but it has something to do with a lot of different circumstances. Anyway, have a great day. Appreciate you. And remember, for the Pigeon Man, it's pound 67. Sorry about that. That wasn't even funny. It's just sad. Remember, I can't go to sleep at night because I have no pigeons. Send me your pigeons. Have a great day. Bye.